In this video, we will be showing you how to make lemon poppy seed loaf cake, which is perfect for the spring, summer, or whenever you're craving something sweet. The ingredients you will need include regular yogurt, flour, eggs, butter, baking soda, sugar, salt, poppy seeds, lemon juice, lemon zest, and powdered sugar. Now let's get started. To start off, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then it is important to grease your pans with cooking spray. This way your loaf cake does not stick to the sides. Now we're going to measure out 1.5 cups of regular yogurt. Then put it into the first of 2 bowls we will be using. To that, we will also add 1 cup of lemon juice and combine it with the yogurt. Next, add 1 cup of poppy seeds to this mixture. Then we will zest 2 lemons. Make sure to not go too far down when zesting, as you don't want to zest the white part of the lemon into your bowl due to its bitter taste. Once the zesting is complete, make sure to also add this to the mixture and stir well. The poppy seeds should be well incorporated into the liquid mixture in your bowl. Now you should soften up 3 sticks of butter. After it is softened and not completely melted, add it into your stand mixing bowl. To the butter, we will then add 4 cups of sugar. From here, you will mix the butter and sugar until it's soft and fluffy. When adding your 6 eggs to the butter and sugar, crack 1 at a time. Make sure to thoroughly mix before adding the next egg, so each is incorporated into the batter. Next, add 6 cups of flour to your stand mixing bowl. Then add 3 teaspoons of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Remember to give the bowl a good stir so that your flour does not fly everywhere when you turn your stand mixer back on. After this, you will then carefully add the yogurt, lemon juice, poppy seeds, and lemon zest mixture to your stand mixer. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, you can then divide your batter into your greased loaf pans. Make sure to leave a space at the top of the loaf pans, as you do not want your batter to overflow into the oven while baking. Now place the loaf pans in the oven for about 50 minutes, and once they come out, give them roughly an hour to cool down. To make your glaze, put 4 heaping teaspoons of powdered sugar and 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice into a bowl and continue to stir until the powdered sugar is mixed in well. Then pour or spread your glaze over your loaf cake and allow the glaze to completely dry in order for it to no longer be sticky. Thank you for watching our baking tutorial. We hope you will make this recipe yourself sometime soon. Enjoy!